Hey, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Daus Ashobi.
My name is Garki and we are from Government
Welcome to today's poetry session, where our words will soar on the wings of creativity. Our colleagues have crafted captivating poems and speech that transport us to the fascinating world of birds. Now, let's take to the skies with Enola and discover the beauty of the migratory birds.
Hand over the mic. Look, the other one.
Ladies and gentlemen, today I invite you on an extraordinary journey, one that spans continents, crosses borders, and defies world. Imagine flying 70,000 kilometers non-stop across continents and oceans, guided by the stars and ancient instincts. No maps, no GPS, just the stars, the wind, and the Earth's magnetic field. Sounds impossible, right? Well, welcome to the world of bird migratory. Every year, millions of birds embark on this incredible feat, defying logics and pushing the barriers of endurance, from the tiny hummingbird to the majestic eagle. They traverse the globe, driven by a primal urge to survive and thrive. But what drives this phenomenon? Is it instinct, intuition, or something more? Scientists have long puzzled over the mysteries of bird migration. How do they navigate? What triggers their journey, and what secret lies behind their incredible endurance? The Arctic tern, a bird that travels from pole to pole and witnesses the sunrise and sunset only twice a year. Or the blue-throated hummingbird, which travels the Gulf of Mexico non-stop, fueled by a diet of nectar and determination.